Good morning, children. Today we have one worksheet in level 2, class 5th English. See SCRT, class 5, subject English, worksheet number 1. So topic bridging gap activities. So this is a picture. Just observe the picture. See here, grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, children. See, these people are doing some actions. So they are doing some works. I think you already seen this picture in your textbook also. Now we have some questions. Not one question, some questions are we have. So the first bit, worksheet number 1. So we have fill in the blanks. So the blanks we have to fill with these words. So what are the words are here? Cloths, cloths, cloths. Hen, many, big. Sweeping, mirror, chair, water, four, rope, clothes, old man, house, help, work. See, these are the words. So we have the questions here. So in the every sentence we have one blank is there. We have to fill with these words. See, first one is the place in the picture is of a. ఈ పిక్చర్ ఈ ప్లేస్ ఈ పిక్చర్లో కనిపించే ప్లేస్ ఏంటి? అది ఇల్లు కదా. ఇల్లు అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమంటాం? హౌస్. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ హియర్ house. House, first one. So we've completed house. Next, second one, there are dash people. There are dash people. How many people are there? See here, 1 2 3 4. 4 people. 4 people. Okay. Next, there are dash children. Children also here 1 2 3 4. 4 children. So third one is 4. Next, grandmother is dash with a broom. Broom ante cheepiri. Grandmother is doing with a, see what she is doing? She is doing sweeping with a broom. So right word here, sweeping. 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 So here there are dash people, 4 people plus 4 children. So we can write here many. Many people. There are many people. 4 also write. So you can also many. There are many people. Children for children, 4 children. So grandmother is sweeping with a broom. Next one, the boy is folding. See, look here. What the boy is doing here? Folding cloths. Folding cloths. Cloths spelling is here cloths. So write that one, cloths here. Next, a dash is eating grains. A dash. What is the fill in the blank? What is the blank here? Eating grains. What it is? Hen. So this one, hen. Spelling is H-E-N. Hen. So H-E-N. Hen. Next, father is resting. Father is resting on. Father is resting. So where is the father here? What he is doing? Resting on a chair. Chair. Where is the spelling is? This is a chair. So right here, resting on a chair. Next, the little girl is looking into a. The little girl is looking into a. The little girl looking into a. See here, the girl is looking into a mirror. Looking into a mirror. So right here, the little girl is looking into a mirror. Next, ninth one, there is dash a tree in the house. There is a dash tree in the house. There is dash tree in the house. This is a tree in the house. See, where is the tree here? See here, big tree, a big tree. So we can write here, there is a big tree in the house. Next 10, the dash is ironing clothes. Who is ironing clothes here? The grandfather. The grandfather is ironing clothes. So write here, grandfather. Grandfather is ironing clothes. 11th, the girl is filling the bucket with. The girl is filling the bucket with. Bucket dento nimbutundi water. Water spelling WATER. Cloths are hanging on the. Cloths are hanging on the. See, what is this? Deni mida arestam manamu, hanging on the rope. So write what is rope. Fill here. Cloths hanging on the rope. We should dash each other. We should dash each other. We should help. ఒకరికొకరు సహాయం చేసుకోవాలి. We should help each other. ఒకరికొకరు. We should help each other. Each other అంటే ఒకరికొకరు. Each other. ఒకరికొకరు. So we should dash tap after filling the water. We should close. We should close the tap after filling the water. We should close. We should close tap after filling the water. Next, we should always dash together. We should always dash together. We should work. We should work. Always work together. So these are the, see, first one, look here. The place in the picture is of a house. Second, there are many people. There are 4 children. Grandmother is sweeping with a broom. Next one, the boy is folding the clothes. A hen is eating grains. Father is resting on a chair. The little girl is looking into a mirror. There is a big tree in the house. The grandfather is ironing clothes. So we can write grandfather instead of here old man. Old man also write. The girl is filling the bucket with water. Clothes are hanging on the rope. We should help each other. We should close tap after filling the water. We should always work together. So this is exercise today. Just complete and send in WhatsApp group after completing.